Lobster Day is just around the corner, so get your seafood fix with these easy-to-make lobster bisque and lobster roll recipes. Begin by placing the whole lobster into a pot of salted boiling water. Once cooked, let the lobster cool. Then remove the lobster meat from the shell. Cut the meat into large chunks and set it aside for the lobster roll filling. Now, using the same boiling water, add in some healthy veggies like carrots, celery stalks with leaves, leeks, and shallots. Then add the lobster shell for additional flavor. While that's cooking, we'll chop the celery and scallions for the lobster roll filling. Then add a squeeze of lemon, a dash of Korean red pepper flakes, and some minced tarragon to a small bowl of Greek yogurt. Whisk this together. Then combine the lemon and yogurt mixture with the filling ingredients and refrigerate. While that's chilling, let's prepare the bisque. Add olive oil to a hot sauté pan. Brown some chopped shallots, sprinkle in some flour, and cook together. Next, we'll add in some tomato puree, cooking sherry, and our delicious lobster stock to complete the bisque. Fill the rolls, add in a few pieces of lobster meat to your bowl, garnish, and enjoy. These savory recipes can easily be made right at home.